Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. Today we will creating one running emoji using my MediaPipe. So first of all, one simple report and 3-4 snaps and requirement, and also one raining emoji .py. So first of all, you code download from here, go to the folder and code. If you want to create your anaconda environment, you just run your command and it's going on. So first of all, our this concept from get from the some emojis and bubbles balls, and MediaPay offered the core platform solutions, machine learning solution for the live streaming. It is very I am loving it to use MediaPipe. So already we are creating a lot of reports, YOLO V7, and now we are targeting only exploring the MediaPipe and solutions, etc. A lot of solution we want to explore. Our target is simple short description video and explore the solutions. So you can see the some simple description and implementation, what we implement, and just run the Python running emoji. You get the result. So you can see the we are playing some emojis, and our interface videos you get from here. So let's see. Also you can download from here. We are going to our machine, window machine. MediaPipe cannot support it on the Mac machine. We are I have already one simple machine using any desk and exploring the MediaPipe library result. So you can see the one ideally of the Python in Python version 3.10. So you can see it just running the algorithm. Run the F5. You want to press F5 if you want to just go to the run F5 plus running file link. So you get the result. You can see the some emojis to play easily to rainfall, and we are simply remove our hand. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates and projects.